Hello, my name is Hae-sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, we will listen to Labor Attorney Jung Bong-soo about the 6-week course that he regularly deliver about the Gangnam Labor, about the Korean labor law, and especially the subject of the course is the Korean Labor Law Bible. So could you explain about what type of lectures you will be delivering this time?
Okay. Hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. Today I'm very happy to introduce my regular lecture. This lecture will start September 26th to the end of the October, so it will be given for 6 times on every Thursday evening. So I have given this lecture more than 18 years. So through these lectures, I have met many good students. Also, after Corona pandemic, I changed my offline class to online, so you can you can watch it. Also join this lecture by registering for this lecture in my website. So there are 6 lectures I'm going to give. So every Thursday evening. So first lecture, I'll explain orientation, how to understand labor law. Also, what's the difference between law in labor law between common law legal system and continental legal system countries. So there are 2 biggest legal some understanding. So then Korea, Japan, or Germany or France, they belong to continental legal system, while the Commonwealth country and Britain and America and India, they belong to the common law legal system. So I explained such differences in the first lecture. And second lecture, I'll deal with the kind of dismissal cases about unfair dismissal or managerial dismissal or ordinary dismissal. So these are topics. So what are required for those dismissal cases? So I'll explain that. And third week, I'll explain some wages. What is ordinary wage? What is average wage? How to calculate severance pay? Also minimum wage. Also how to pay wages. So these are systems of wage. Even wages delayed for payment, then how the legal relation is like. So I'll explain all about wage on third week. Then fourth week, I'll explain working hours and their flexible working hour system and recess period. Also holiday, statutory holiday and contractual holiday. Also leave system, so annual paid leave. So these are topics I'm going to deal with on fourth week. And fifth week, I'll deal with the irregular employment and their working condition. Also some how to understand the employee and freelancer. So through this one, you can understand employee status, characteristic of employee. Also last class, I'll focus on social insurance premiums, also equal employment like gender equality, prevention of sexual harassment, and female protection. These are topics I'm going to deal with 6 classes. Also I explain all 6 classes what I'm going to explain. Yeah.
I see. So this is the lecture, and the content of the lecture is based on the Korean Labor Law Bible that the Gangnam Labor Law Firm has published.
Yeah.
And we will be releasing a new version. Is that
Yeah,
right?
yeah, soon. Yeah, almost I finished for updating. 7th edition, it will be published soon. So if possible, I'm going to use the 7th edition. This one is all sold out. So I'm looking forward to seeing new edition. Yeah. So this book deals with all the topics I explained just before. Yeah.
I see. And I understand that you will be delivering this lecture in English,
Yeah.
and there are a number of audience or student who will be listening to this lecture. So could you explain some example of who are interested in this type of lecture?
So yeah, my lecture, I have given this lecture based on online. So after Corona pandemic period, I changed my class from offline to online. So I think first you visit our website and you can find left side some section for lecture series. So you can come and apply for the lecture in this the website, so you can attend. So there is a tuition for attendance that is 220,000 Korean won for 6 classes. Yeah. I hope you join this class and understand, also improve knowledge about some about Korea. Also through this lecture, we learn something about different culture in a workplace.
I understand that this lecture, which you have been given almost 20 years now, has been a very good marketing tool for Gangnam Labor Law Firm to promote about the services that we cover.
Yeah.
And I understand that you have met one of the students who attended the lecture in this last week when you went to Singapore. Is that right?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. One of the students who attended my lecture twice for two the period, like 2 different periods, July to August. It's July to, okay, I think it's May to June, also July to August. So those 4 months period he attended my lectures. So his name is Pradeep. So I met him in Singapore. Yeah, I already informed him about my visiting plan. So he showed up at special event. So he understood what I was doing. So we had a good dinner, and he showed me Morayan statue and also harbor area. So I enjoyed talking with my former students.
And also by delivering the environment about Korean labor law, foreign companies may be more familiar about the Korean labor environment, and also can help them investing to Korea and established companies in Korea.
Yeah, that's
you agree?
right. Yeah, I agree. Yes, so through this lecture, it is good opportunity for me to meet a new client, potential client, also managing current client for like a futuristic relation, like I mean some win-win relation. Yeah.
So I hope that many audience also can subscribe to this lecture, which will start in September. So could you promote how you can subscribe?
So to register for this lecture, please visit our website. Then you fill out this each form. Then also finally our secretary will send you some invoice for this attendance. Then you just pay 220,000 won in Korean won. Then I send you invitation mail, so you can join Zoom class.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for your watching. Okay, bye bye.